Experience the calm of a resort-style stay with the warmth of home at Canyon Creek, Dallas, where everyday ease meets campus convenience to elevate your university life. These charming en-suites and one-bedroom apartments feature modern kitchens with microwaves for quick reheats, dishwashers for easy cleanups, and breakfast bars for cozy meals. Keep your wardrobe organised in the walk-in closet, store essentials in extra storage, and enjoy year-round comfort with central heating and air conditioning. When student life feels hectic, unwind in the sparkling pool or fire up the barbecue for fun weekends with friends. Laundry is simple too, thanks to the on-site clothes care centre. Security is a priority in this gated community with 24-hour maintenance, reliable on-site management, and courtesy patrol. Check it out. You're just minutes from the Art Institute of Dallas and Remington College Dallas Campus by car. Even access to city transit is easy via buses on Steppington and Stone Canyon, plus the Walnut Hill Station light rail. It doesn't get better than this. Secure your spot at Canyon Creek Dallas today on amberstudent.com.